Alright, so here's the second most missed question. This was, what is the coefficient for the term containing x minus 3 squared in the Taylor polynomial centered at x equals 3 of f? Alright, so the key thing, just like in the last problem, we're going to have to focus in on that second degree term. Now, we know the structure of the second degree term is going to be given by f double prime at the center, which in this case is 3, over 2 factorial times x minus the center, which is 3, squared. Alright, so this asks for the coefficient, so it needs this entire structure out here in the front. So first thing we're going to have to do is find the first derivative, so f prime of x is going to be negative 12x squared plus 6x minus 6. Then we're going to have to find the second derivative. That's going to give me a negative 24x plus 6. Now, we specifically need this value at 3, so we're going to plug 3 in there. We've got 24 times 3, that's going to be negative 72 plus 6, and negative 72 plus 6 is going to be a negative 66. Now again, that's just the f double prime of 3, so we're going to have to take that number and divide it by 2 factorial. So negative 66 over 2 factorial, negative 66 over 2, which is going to be negative 33, which means our correct answer is D, alright, which is right down here. Now again, the most common mistake that I see in a problem like this is people forgetting to divide by the 2 factorial and only focusing in on the second derivative of 3, and that would have resulted in an answer of negative 66, which is A. So most common mistake is up there. The correct answer though is negative 33 when we factor in that 2 factorial. Thanks.